Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase 2FA and device check step by step clearly. To authenticate with Coinbase using two-factor authentication and device checks, start by opening the Coinbase app or website. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. Check your preferred authentication method, whether it's SMS text message or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. If you selected SMS, enter the code sent to your mobile phone. If you're using an authentication app, open the app and retrieve the 6-digit code. Type the 6-digit code into the provided field on Coinbase. Press the Verify button to proceed. Once verified, you may be prompted to perform a device check. Coinbase will send an email to the registered email address. Open your email and look for the message from Coinbase regarding device authorization. Click the link in the email to confirm you are trying to access your account from a new device. After confirming your device, return to the Coinbase app or website. You should now have full access to your account. Ensure two-factor authentication remains enabled for added security. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. If you ever change your phone or lose access to your authentication method, follow Coinbase recovery instructions. Remember, keeping your security measures updated is crucial for protecting your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.